Hello friends and welcome to Educare 247. Today I'll be discussing a government scheme that is PM Kisan scheme in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So what is PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana and why was it launched at first place? So PM Kisan scheme was launched to provide an income support by way of a cash benefit to all the landholding farmers to enable them to fulfill their agriculture requirements and support their families. So under this scheme, all the farmers which are small and marginal farmers will be getting up to rupees 6,000, which is 6,000 per year as minimum income support, and this scheme is of rupees 75,000 crore and they will cover about 125 million farmers irrespective of the size of their land in India. This scheme came into effect from December 1, 2018. So in this Yojana, income support of rupees 6,000 per annum is provided to all the eligible farmer families in 3 equal installments of 2,000 each every 4 months, something which is very important to remember, that is 3 equal installments of rupees 2,000 each every 4 months. And by family they mean husband, wife and minor children. Moving forward. So Educare 247 is launching SEBI Grade A 2020 crash course, which will be including phase 1, phase 2 and interview, and you can avail this at a coupon code by applying a coupon code or SEBI and you will be getting rupees 1,500 discount. So the features of the course is you can have a complete paper 2, CS of paper 1, 5,000 plus MCQs, concise content, live doubt session and important video lessons. So who all are eligible for the PM Kisan scheme? So all the landholding farmer families which have the lands under their names can apply. All the farmers from urban and rural areas can apply for the scheme, and small and marginal farmer families can apply. There are certain people who are excluded from the scheme, and those are all the institutional landholders. Now what do you mean by the landholders, that is institutional landholders? So the government farms, holdings such as the government farms or sugarcane, or the sugarcane, like there are sugarcane factories or the cooperative farms, basically the lands which are managed by some trusts, they come under some institutional land holdings and they are excluded from this scheme. Farmer families which belong to one or following categories such as present or the former constitutional posts, people in this cannot apply. Former and present ministers, any ministers or any former present members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, councils, mayors of municipal corporations and district panchayats cannot apply. All serving or retired officers of and employees of the central and state governments, any kind of ministries or any attached offices, autonomous institutions cannot apply, excluding the multitasking staff and the class 4 and group D employees. Also, all superannuated and retired pensioners whose monthly pension is rupees 10,000 or more cannot apply. Also here class 4 or group D employees are excluded. All who paid their income tax in the last assessment year cannot apply, and all the professionals like doctors, engineers and all who are under profession and they are undertaking practices cannot apply under this scheme. So how do farmers register for this Yojana? So the farmers have to approach to the local revenue officer, who is called as a patwari, or a nodal officer who is nominated by state government, or they can go to CSEs, that are common service centers, which are being authorized to do the registration of the farmers for the scheme upon a payment of fees. Also on the website, that is the official website, which is pmkisan.gov.in, has a section called as a Farmers Corner, in which farmers can register themselves through Farmers Corner in the portal, and they can also edit the name in the PM Kisan database and know the status of their payment. What are the documents which are required? That is Aadhaar is mandatory. Apart from Aadhaar, citizenship certificate, landholding papers and bank account details are to be given to the concerned authorities. So I hope you are clear with this PM Kisan scheme. Whatever questions which are being asked can be really answered upon this slide. You just have to remember all the money which is involved, the number of million, like 125 million farmers which are being included, when it was started, and how this is given in 3 equal installments of 2,000 rupees each in every 4 months, and how this is eligible, this scheme is eligible to whom and who are excluded. You can remember all these things. How the PM Kisan Yojana Nidhi are helping farmers to register on their portal, the Farmers Corner of course, and what are the documents required. So thank you and happy learning. Please do not forget to like, share and comment. Please stay tuned for further updates, and please subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you.